It's Saturday with them Texas boys. How about that little rebar gate for you? You know you're in Texas when you see a rebar gate. All right, we've got a gate that's been hit by a car. And then we've also got a Patriot that replaced a GTO. How do you like that install? So now that it's been hit by a car, these little bubble gum welds have all broken off of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, put a new support on here, and go from there. Looks like that tubing is pretty strong. I might weld off of that, but either way, we're gonna put a new support arm on here and get that thing popping and a rocking. And then at some point in time, he said he might want to end up putting a mag lock on over there. And I guess I'll just have to zip tie a 18-4 direct burial wire down the end of it and go from there. But yeah, pretty ghetto installation, unfortunately. But if the gate would have been hit and that wouldn't have been bad, it probably would have been damaged the arm. So I guess that's one good thing. But now we're going to fix it right by adding the proper support arm on there. And hopefully we've got good power over here. I think that's about it. But all we're doing today is fixing that support arm and going from there.